cold. People this cold. 60 degrees and the man a ball same cold. Yo, what you want? What no? Yo, the man a shit. I chew.
I used to be my own. Never go down at 18, 19 and get that big up the chest. 25.
Yo, what by the easy, you know. Yeah, the boss said cold people.
Jamaica Waba is our famous YouTuber from Jamaica who is here today broadcasting live. You can log on and subscribe to Jamaica Waba. The reason for this gentleman here is bringing to the American community that the American community is, don't know. He's bringing to the Jamaican community and Jamaican community miss breadfruit, chicken back, June plum, star apple. All of the things that you're missing from Jamaica, this gentleman here come through and bring it live to you in live segment in Jamaica. Okay? I met this young man accidentally. Okay? When we just met, it was a long story. But the point is, we met.
So we are back again. I want this good. Let us see OZZIE. OZZIE get to work. Don't be a man. That's how we outside. No joke. See them here. When I saw me in a forest, right, that's how we done the forward on. You see me, one leave a picture, one leave a thing I want. I want to buy for the Sunday. I want Jamaica, I want to buy in this town. Action! We got to start with action. The outside, no good. JUlinthekitchen. There are some samples here that you want to sample. And things are give out for free in a person like ours. Have a nice sample of food. And we have fun, we have shelter, and we have shelter on the inside. As well. We just have a vibe. You know some of my bikes don't too. The bikers them come out and be a thing. Create the bike, create everything, the energy is up right. Listen, give me some. And it's all about a Sunday, it's all about a vibe. No joking. Look good. Look good, we out there. Big up to all of my subscribers that we roll out right now. And we're there from early and I make sure that the thing are pretty. Yo, yeah, pretty, look good. Look them man. Love the style of building them and things. Yeah. Look good. See? So, let me show you what inside of OZZIE look like. Mad artist. Don't play the thing. Mad artist. Inside, look good. Yeah. What about now? When I come to say my brother, extreme art. Yeah. Look good. Look good, actually, you don't go outside yet. Actually, you don't go outside yet. I want extreme, you hear that? Extreme on the beach. Baddest thing. As the ice cream, so all I must even never know about that place here. Make sure it's on the forward right now. Come try them. Look what I got. Extreme not top circle up here, you know. Yeah, man. So tell him get himself in a trouble, in a top circle up here, and look good. Look good. So right now, we're going to talk about ice creams. We have the rum and raisin ice creams. We have all kind of ice creams. We have the mango ice cream. Alright, Jenny's there. Jenny,
Come take the bedroom, bully.
hold on. Our bedroom, watch no man. Hold on, let me sample. Hold this up for me. Right, that's up. Bedroom bully. Alright. So Charlie, you want to tell us a little bit about what you have in there?
Guinea.
Yeah.
Mama floor.
Okay.
Tiger bone.
Tiger bone. What is tiger bone? That's all like something wicked enough. Anything that turn up. She said the tiger bone is anything that turn up. So we have the tiger bone in there. Bedroom bully.
Bedroom bully.
This sound like bedroom bullies.
Anything that
Watch
turn
out.
up.
Whoa, it dog. You got it on this one. What do you do?
I want to take you enough.
That don't mean that me have done dead enough. And if you say me have gone good. If you still say me have gone good, I say you can't have favor me. Mind enough. Don't please me. So if you don't want all of the bedroom bullies and those things, you make sure they come out of OZZIE's ice cream. You understand?
Oh,
and things. Remember, and things.
Watch out. If I talk about Roman race, right? I'm going to describe everything. So you know about Roman race.
Come watch the video.
You watch the video?
Yeah.
You sure you're not doing the video, though?
Well, until my team come out.
Something like that.
When my team come out,
When
then we see the trend.
it's done,
Big up yourself. Listen, I know it's cold here from last night. Yeah, man. Patsy, greetings. Big up yourself every time. Foreign is beautiful, foreign is loving. This is OZZIE's sister. Yeah, hold on, let me set it right here. So she's here with us, you don't know. Yeah, man, you can come along, man. Everybody come inside and go, hi, mommy. How are you doing? You're on my channel today. Nice and lovely. Yeah, come to the ice cream. I think this is her. Yes, man. I heard so much about you. Come and take a seat. So Jenny is saying that this is her foreign mommy. How are you doing?
I'm good.
Yeah, man. Have a drink later.
Everything. And I surprise me now. I like a mommy. And I'm here to support her. No.
Why you want to come over there? I'm trying to talk.
I'm your person.
Yeah, massive sing them. We love the Jamaican them now. Yes, man. Nice.
But I'm in my team.
Say you just bar right. You now got no problem with that. The problem now about as much as you
Yes,
do.
you are the person who is
When you do like to, I don't find this. Yeah, we don't pick it up. We can go and sit up, man. Pick up yourself together.
I don't want to drink up all of this strong back.
See now?
It looks like he's drinking.
But you want to know, you know? Yeah? Man, look, you don't know so much about it. I don't know. I don't want to tell him that I don't drink too much alcohol.
I used to hear like
Extreme art. Watching the man. Love him ice cream. Where do you eat? Rum and raisin?
No.
With your OZZIE. Yes. No joke. It's a vibe. And I'm feeling good. I am happy. Well, I look good. I'm sorry. Well, I look good. I'm sorry. No, bro. Sorry with it. See that all of my friends are video me. No video me. Video me. I mean, I was a video people. Then video me good, man. The boy sweet. Look good now, man. Look good. When you see me come on. Look good. Let me show them, man. Look good. You're walking up first. Look good. You can't stop eating. Me have some food in them. I'm going to make sure that you eat some food. Because me Nice about some nice things here. Look good for me, man. One Jamaica walk by.
Never owe you, know.
Oh yeah? Man, you think man, it's nice.
Yeah, man, they're nice.
One of my subscribers actually give me that one here. See where this time doing, I can turn on the next way straight.
And yeah, turn around.
Yeah, man, spin around. Yeah. I want the new one too. Because it's smooth pipe. But I like the bony part I see. So you see bony part then, give me the bony part then. I can't be alone with the bony part I see. I love the bony part I see. I love the bony part. Somebody, a lot of persons are actually coming right now. And a lot of persons are supporting the business. I love that. The sun now where will I find. Getting my sample right here. So come on out, all these samples are free for persons to try. Smells delicious. So when you go inside now, man, when you go try this now, man, look good. See that? Look good. You're right up on the live right now, see them here. Like clean and thing, which is nice. Extreme. Make a piece of that, a chair. We sit down with the Gita. And we're gonna eat some food. I don't know. Enough of them. I eat up.
I'm gonna eat now.
Yeah. Yeah, I eat, man. I mean, don't eat, man. Don't eat. Extreme, don't eat, yeah?
Yeah, I'm gonna eat.
Yeah, massive. Foreign is nice. I'm not telling you any lie. I love it here. Yeah, so I'm going to sample this and think it's lovely. That was good work.
That was the face, or the food taste.
That was good, man.
That was good?
brother.
So, 10 out of 10 will you give?
So that got the grandmother cooking, so that's the dozen.
11.
Alright. I want that one to there. Oh, to there, to that. Don't you hear me, man?
Yeah,
The
me here.
man know that the biggest chef right now from Jamaica known internationally. See OZZIE in a place right as well. And it's a food business him have.
Alright,
And she
I'll
Julie come and say she want to showcase her something. As I say, well, we are one in the second.
Alright.
My house are your house.
Say it.
My house are your house.
Alright,
The Virgin Class Road there, I will open a smoke shop. Just I open it, they put on a sign in. I'm going to go over there and say, yo, free flyer. See smoke shop there, airport. You go in there slum, you take a smoke and everything. No sign out the point thing yet, I saw the rest of the thing.
Yeah.
Last year we did the biggest concert on Mount Vernon with San, Brother John, we own 13 different artists. And we promote the whole entire block, I saw our thing rest. We're not selfish.
See how you're so
If you win, me win.
Yeah.
You me say?
Network.
I saw it things here.
Network.
Lady, sister next up there have a beauty supply. A man across the road have a beauty supply. Me I say, yo baby, don't worry yourself. But brush off at him, drop on your table.
We bring in customers.
You understand it?
Yeah.
The more, the merrier.
Yeah.
If me I try win alone, I never try win alone. I'm merely run a race.
Yeah, exactly.
But if me help you, and you help me, the whole will live together.
Yeah, you hear the man?
You know, sir? I saw my thing, sir.
One help one. That's what
A
we
two-story, you mean a two-story, we have a store at Long Island, a True here at Nassau Road. Me say we have a store at Long Island, True here at Nassau Road, and Roosevelt. And when they are today, we have promoted the whole entire block of stuff. You know, sir? Alright.
Yes. OZZIE, yeah. OZZIE with nice ice cream in the place. That's the man who just talked. He spoke and this is his business place. All kind of ice cream in the place. Look, that's OZZIE's ice cream. Wow, you're doing a marvelous job over here. Thank you.
Oh wow. You know we Jamaicans, we're not gonna come so far. Right. And I should know better. But I didn't. But we were outside and we were talking, laughing, joking around. And now we have something.
So what's the name? That's OZZIE.
Yeah.
Looking forward to from Jamaica, and that's Gina and
Jason and Gina.
Jason.
Jason and Gina go together. Yes, that's us.
Jason and Gina. Guys, go over to Jason and Gina and show some love, okay? They will send you there.
Gone are the days when they only used to give me Alexia alone for the live. My phone the one live and Alexia one over Alexia turn on for the So that means we're doing well. Thank you guys so much. We have 200 likes on the video. I don't know who sent it, but yeah, pick up every time. We have Jason and Gina inside of the house on the chat this time. Yeah. So we're gonna just chill over and take some pictures and have some fun. You don't know who
know who might come, guys.
that is it. That's what I mean. Jamaica first.
Jamaica worldwide.
And you know introduce a crew. Crazy people in the house. Come now.
Yes, he is. We're on our way driving here.
Yes.
Wait. All Jamaican. There's no Jamaican guys in Jamaica. We are all Jamaicans. Love all the way.
Beautiful. Yeah, right now. Yeah, well, the next time when I come out and say, we have some short-term memory. See, there I am again. How much I know?
Get a version now.
What will I reach to say my version just a forward? You understand? Since he bring out it, before nobody don't do a version. You see them man when them man come and go, the version in a real life. And them man make them rhythm and produce them song there. You understand me? Extra brother. You understand? This a man have crazy amount of hits. Hits me talk about hits.
And he have hits and even leave member.
Be sure say extra. Yo, hear me no man, you see my name brother? DJ Neil, Cash Flow, DJ Neil. A crazy thing them man are doing in music in Jamaica. I mean, I tell you something, I can name crazy more. Alright, voila. Listen, voila, I'm going to show you one of the biggest song we found out of Cash Flow record. But remember in Carter said, look on the life we living. Look on the life we living. Look on the life we living. It's a better way we seek it. Easy no man. And them money again. See there. I am. So you hear me talk about extreme arts and no joke thing. Watch out now. When you look and you see Jamaica one by, only thing me learn. Only thing me learn. Only thing me learn. And them mania. You understand me? I say? Yeah. So and them mania show me what the video thing and teach me. I say, well, and be a nice and city, you know. You see me? The boy sweet.
Look at you.
The boy sweet.
Yeah.
June in the kitchen. I will ask you to just do it. Remember, the guy comes back. Check it out.
Walk with them, oh God, in the name of Jesus. More love, more understanding. How we say?
Subscribe for some
We have
traveling,
Jamaica
some
walk by.
authentic Jamaican cooking.
Like cool people inside here. You gotta come out and enjoy this moment right here.
We're freestyle. We just find the thing.
Earlier, I think people are walking and say, yo, I mean,
make sure you go over and subscribe.
and I make this dude
You know the vibe. Big up on yourself.
Big up.
So right now, we're not bringing it.
Nice front to the vegetable. Alright, that's good. You subscribe, young lady?
Yes,
You did
yes,
subscribe? Yes. You subscribe, honey?
Yes, I did.
Yeah, meet her before the first time and I just take her over. She enjoy herself. That's love here.
Guys, let me tell you something. Auntie Jula had a little pop-up shop right here, a little show.
No, it's not a pop-up shop, but it's correct.
Yes.
We come here to meet, walk by Jamaica, and I took my sample. So taste for free.
Taste for free. Come now. Auntie Winnie don't taste our food already. See, they have bone left. I'm so sorry, guys. If you come, there's some left for you. But this is the bone, but I'm showing you how I chewed it. quite so good. Jewel in the kitchen. We want Auntie Jewel to stay in the kitchen, you understand? Because she do the food and the rice and just like your grandmother and your mom would do it. What Jamaica style out here, so Jewel in the kitchen. Check her out on Instagram and on YouTube. And Jewel in the kitchen, see her? Hey, we in the kitchen. We in the kitchen.
Outside, it's been great. Sorry, I'm gonna go back live long time to show everybody and everything, but trust me. When the vibes membership, I'm just a walk past her, I'm just see her, say, you know, I'm gonna talk to the lady. Auntie Winnie. Well, you said the entrepreneur. Yeah.
Look here now, see the tonic there now, they can make sure you get it straight up. And they're the promotion.
Yeah.
And guess what? When the skin of a pop, look here now, and nice. Whoa, look here, look.
Look good there, man.
Wow.
What a difference.
Whoa, rub your hand, rub your hand, rub your hand.
Alright.
Rub your foot, rub your
foot. Rub your foot. Rub your neck, rub your neck, rub your neck. Yes, rub your ears. Hey, come on. Hey, what's happening now?
Auntie Winnie custom shave on her.
Yeah. So see this.
So Instagram me. My Instagram is editwinsome34 and Auntie Winnie at Food is Medicine. Run out the man.
Food is medicine. Easy to remember, man. Look good.
Hello. Our age ago. No ears.
A big one, you know, people.
Hello.
I'm not taking things lightly, no, man. Jess and Gina run the shop.
Auntie Winnie's birthday is October 23rd. Guess the number.
I told you my birthday.
Hello. Shaman outside.
Yes.
Jamaica running in over there, so we have a birthday link up with the great YouTubers of all time.
Virginia.
Yeah.
So the Scott's family, I look good now, man.
Who that? G's are here.
What do you mean?
The G's are here in the GQ magazine.
Mr. Master, besides everything go live when everybody there and them G are
Over here. Thank you. So we're giving away free stamp for these ladies subscribe and they're taking a stamp.
Jewel in the kitchen is the best way to go. Best food. Hey, the spice is nice. The rice is chewable. The chicken, perfect. Everything is like a whole combination, you know? Everything is just perfect for it. Jewel in the kitchen, make sure you go there. J Blazer endorse that. I remember that, yeah? Nevertheless.
Let me tell you this.
Huh?
Let me tell you this. I'm not a restaurant.
I know, not a restaurant, but a famous cook right now.
Okay, all right.
The best cook.
All right. Big up yourself, all right?
Big up.
And what's your Instagram page?
JBlazer_official. JAYBLA_official.
All right,
Alright?
guys.
So check me out. Alright. Yes, man.
Alright. Big up yourself.
Big up, Jolie.
Alright, say it louder.
It's delicious. This is delicious.
Thank you so much.
Yes.
I'm trying. Thank you.
Thumbs up. Thumbs up the food.
Thank you.
The rice is so flavorful. Oh my God.
I mean, that's why I wanted to come here and show off my rice. Thank you. So, when you're ready for catering, link me up when you want the real food. Rice and
Yes, man. It's good.
Thank you.
Well, next to them, my next in a reach one, I get
Great walk by. The fans them a pull up. Yo, sir.
and jump the brother. Finally, the sister. Finally, the sister. Pick up on the sled. Support, guys.
Doing an amazing job as well.
Yep.
Each one.
That's it.
That's it.
Right.
That's the motto.
We all start at one. We all start
Alright,
at
so
one.
now shout yourself out.
Yes.
Hi, I'm Gina from Jason.
Alright, and this is Horace Lifestyle.
Orange Freestyle Adventures.
Alright.
So make sure you go over and subscribe. Orange Freestyle Adventures.
Yes,
That
show
is
him
it.
some love, guys. Show everybody some love.
Mount Vernon.
We got our brother
Today,
Vernon in the
I
house.
know people don't know who he is.
I true.
This man, this man is responsible for a lot of music on the internet.
Great.
A lot of video on the internet. This
One of the
man,
greatest man in around now.
this man right there, so.
On your right, that's
No
the
joke
third
thing.
back.
All an extra that.
That one
No
here.
Jamaica walk by, none of them see that. Extreme
This
man.
manner, this manner.
Yeah.
It give him, no, it give him network in the
Yeah,
brother.
man, and the legend in
We are out of many one people. We are out of many one people. Hold on there. The first Jamaican lady met, the same was the same right by herself. I told she had a restaurant. She said to me, "Is it okay? My girl, my house is your house. Do your thing."
I met them.